Welcome back to the Auto Chapter. I'm glad to have you here once again. And today we are diving into something truly bold and unexpected from Maranello. This is the 2026 Ferrari F80 SUV, a vehicle that redefines what a Ferrari can be, while still staying true to the brand's racing DNA. Ferrari has always been known for low-slung supercars and screaming V12s, so seeing an SUV wear the prancing horse badge already sets expectations sky high. The F80 SUV is not just another luxury crossover with a famous logo, it's Ferrari's vision of how performance, design, and everyday usability can exist in one dramatic package. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior, because this SUV looks like nothing else on the road. Ferrari didn't try to soften the design to appeal to the masses. Instead, they leaned fully into aggression and aerodynamics. The front end is sharp and purposeful, with ultra-slim LED headlights that slice into the fenders, giving the F80 a predatory stare. The massive front grille is functional rather than decorative, feeding air into advanced cooling systems designed to handle extreme performance. Sculpted hood lines flow rearward, creating a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. From the side, the proportions are muscular and athletic, with wide haunches and a coupe-like roof line that slopes gently toward the rear without sacrificing too much practicality. Large air intakes behind the front wheels hint at the performance hidden underneath, while carbon fiber side skirts keep the body visually planted to the ground. Around the back, the F80 SUV looks just as dramatic. Ferrari-inspired circular LED taillights are reimagined in a modern, horizontal layout, paired with an aggressive diffuser that wouldn't look out of place on a track-focused supercar. Quad exhaust tips sit proudly, delivering a clear message that this SUV means business. Optional carbon fiber packages are available throughout the exterior, including the roof, mirror caps, and rear spoiler, reducing weight while enhancing the visual drama. Massive wheels, up to 23 inches, fill the arches perfectly, wrapped in high-performance tires developed specifically for this model. Every angle of the F80 SUV feels intentional, engineered, and unmistakably Ferrari. When it comes to performance, this is where the 2026 Ferrari F80 SUV truly shocks the world. Under the hood, Ferrari is rumored to be using a hybrid-assisted twin-turbo V8, producing an astonishing output of around 850 horsepower. This setup combines traditional Ferrari combustion fury with electric assistance for instant torque and improved efficiency. Power is sent to all four wheels through a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission, ensuring maximum traction in all conditions. Despite being an SUV, the F80 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 3 seconds, a figure that puts many dedicated sports cars to shame. Top speed is expected to be well over 190 miles per hour, which is almost unbelievable for a vehicle in this segment. Ferrari engineers didn't stop at straight-line speed. The suspension system is a masterpiece, featuring adaptive dampers and an advanced chassis control system that constantly adjusts to driving conditions. Whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking a mountain road, the F80 SUV feels composed, sharp, and responsive. Rear-wheel steering enhances agility at low speeds and stability at high speeds, making the vehicle feel smaller and more nimble than it actually is. The braking system uses massive, carbon ceramic brakes that deliver relentless, stopping power with incredible consistency. Even with its added weight and height, the F80 SUV handles with a level of precision that only Ferrari could achieve. Step inside, and the interior continues to impress with a perfect blend of luxury, technology, and motorsport inspiration. The cabin is driver-focused, just like every Ferrari before it. The steering wheel is packed with controls, eliminating the need to take your hands off while driving. Paddle shifters made from solid aluminum sit behind the wheel, offering a satisfying mechanical feel with every gear change. The dashboard is dominated by a curved digital display that presents performance data, navigation, and vehicle settings in a clean, high-resolution format. A separate passenger display allows the front passenger to engage with speed, G-forces, and media controls, making them feel part of the experience rather than just along for the ride. Materials throughout the cabin are exactly what you'd expect from Ferrari. Fine Italian leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum are used extensively, with endless customization options available through Ferrari's personalization program. The seats are sporty yet comfortable, offering excellent support during aggressive driving while remaining plush enough for long journeys. Despite the coupe-like roofline, rear seat space is surprisingly usable, making this a genuine four-passenger Ferrari. Cargo space is practical for an SUV of this size, easily handling luggage for weekend trips without compromising the vehicle's performance-focused character. Technology plays a major role in the F80 SUV's appeal. Advanced driver assistance systems are included, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking, all tuned to work seamlessly without interfering with the driving experience. A premium sound system ensures crystal-clear audio, though many drivers may prefer listening to the exhaust note instead. Connectivity features like wireless smartphone integration, over-the-air updates, and a customizable digital interface ensure the F80 feels as advanced as it is powerful. Now let's talk about the price, because owning a Ferrari SUV of this caliber doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Ferrari F80 SUV is expected to start at around $350,000, with prices climbing significantly once options and customization are added. Fully loaded models could easily exceed $400,000, depending on materials, performance upgrades, and bespoke details. While that puts it far above most luxury SUVs, Ferrari buyers aren't just paying for space and comfort. They're paying for heritage, engineering excellence, exclusivity, and an SUV that delivers true supercar performance. In the end, the 2026 Ferrari F80 SUV is more than just Ferrari entering another market segment. It's a statement that performance and practicality don't have to be opposites. This vehicle offers the thrill of a Ferrari, the usability of an SUV, and the design flair that turns every drive into an event. It's bold, it's controversial, and it's undeniably exciting. If this is the future of high-performance SUVs, Ferrari has set a new benchmark that others will struggle to match. Let me know what you think about the Ferrari F80 SUV in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. And as always, see you in the next video.